Hey guys, hi, hello, and welcome to my Cricket World Analysis with Yashashvi. Bang on. So, fine. Again, India won the two consecutive matches, and that too against Scotland. So, you might think it's an easy match. Scotland के against तो कोई भी जीत जाता है. It's an easy one, but whether it's an easy or difficult, India must and should needed to win this one for sure, because after winning this, all hopes on Afghanistan. Like everyone, each and every Indian have hopes on Afghanistan for sure. So those are I'm gonna say afterwards, but let's just see about today's match, okay? Yes, so India won pretty easily, 85 only. The bowler stopped the Scotland players very beautifully. You can't see a single moment where you think like Scotland was gonna win the match. Never ever, because that from the starting onwards they kept that pressure until the end, and India have won it. Yes, they have won it. So let's just see how and what happened. Those all. Let's go to the scoreboard. So Scotland batting, everyone, if you just see, the wickets were so quickly falling. Can't just say anything, guys. Just see. Not a single person who made 30 plus. Not a single one who made 30 plus, guys. Everyone was just see fall of wickets from 13 to consistently. It's not like 13 को wicket ले दिया afterwards 86 में 9 wicket गिरे, ये सब कुछ भी नहीं था. Consistently the wickets were falling, if you just see. So that's what I said, not a single moment you found where you think that Scotland would have won the match. Not a single moment. And in bowlers, especially the breakthrough was given by Jasprit Bumrah, that breakthrough. And at last also, I think he only took the wicket at last also, and the first also. No, first was Mohammad Shami. Yes, first was Mohammad Shami. Sorry for the mistake. It was Mohammad Shami. Wonderful, guys, like genius. And yeah, Ashwin over में क्या था, like 3 fours in a row. Like yes, there were 3 fours, but afterwards then also match में कुछ ज़्यादा बदला नहीं किया था. But yes, it was wonderful bowling by everyone. Even the Varun Chakravarti haven't taken any wicket, but the economy is good, and I think the runs also he gave in 3 overs is pretty okay. Let's shift to India's batting again. Like the openers were so fantastic. That's what I said. No, like India needed this opening partnership from the first match, but जो कुछ हो गया था, let it be. Past is past. But now wonderful. Like you can't see those many batsmen also. When the openers play beautifully, the down people need no work. Like they just need no work. And that's what happened in today's match as well. The two people were enough to win the game, and that too they just made very low score. Yeah, it's not 120, it's not 100 plus itself. It's just 85. So for making 85, the openers are more than enough. Because 85 is a very easy score, and that too they didn't lose any wickets. Like बाद में at last the 2 wickets were fallen, but yes. So KL Rahul 50, Rohit Sharma 30, and I think the fastest 50 also in this in this World Cup. It was the fastest 50, and afterwards it was Surya Kumar Yadav who finished it, and and Virat Kohli, the birthday boy, 2 balls 2 runs, and that's it. It was an easy win for India, and now India तो जीत गया, but how can India make it into? You might think, how can India make it into semi-finals as New Zealand are behind us and Afghanistan are also behind us? If you just see the world, if you just see the T20 points, then New Zealand is having 6 points. If they win against Afghanistan, then they're gonna have 8 points, and India have no chance, like nil, 0, shunya, no chance for India to win the match. Go to semi-final, sorry. So when I was just seeing that, I just found some funny memes. I would just love to share with you. It was not of India versus Scotland. It was of people like India, like 1.3 billion people. Hopes are just on Afghanistan to beat New Zealand in the on 7th of November. So it was all Indians who are just praying that Bhagwan Afghanistan हार दे न्यूजीलैंड को. Even I am one of them because I want to see India going to semi-finals. If India doesn't go, then this is like chatka, like India is not going to semi-finals. Just get okay. So let me just you would get it on screen. Okay, so there was one thing, one meme which you can see on the screen, right? It's like teri jeet meri jeet, teri haar meri haar. Yeah, now everyone, India and Afghanistan, it's like, yaar, we help you, you need to help me, this that those all are coming. And the one is like, whole Indians right now, ये तो सच है कि भगवान है. And that's true, man. Like that, those all are real facts. And it was like November 7. India hoping for Afghanistan to win the match against New Zealand. Afghanistan supporters then now. It's not like that. They have many supporters. Their fans, Afghan fans are so brilliant. Yeah? They have many supporters. And yeah, and the one was also funny. Like India want Afghanistan to win. Afghanistan like इसकी guarantee मैं नहीं दे सकता यार. क्यों यार? You need to win. If you win, then Indian won it. If you just win, that 1.3 billion people won the match. भाई इस match जीत जाना पक्का. You need to win that one. So, and if you see a press conference where Ravindra Jadeja was asked a question by a reporter that what happens if New Zealand beat Afghanistan, and you just listen what he said.
अफगानिस्तान ने अगर न्यूजीलैंड को हरा दिया तभी हमारा चांस है क्वालिफाई करने का सेमीफाइनल में. बट अगर अफगानिस्तान नहीं हरा पाता न्यूजीलैंड को फिर
फिर बैग पैक करके घर जाएंगे और क्या.
I just hope you listen now, right? He was like, तो क्या backpack करके घर चले जाएंगे. That is pretty simple, and that's what everyone know कि क्या हो सकता है. He just said it in a completely true way, but you never thought he would say this way. That was just the difference. That's it. Okay, guys, so that's it, and see you in New Zealand versus Afghanistan video analysis. हाँ भाई मैं बनाऊंगी उस मैच का. अगर अफगानिस्तान जीत जाए तो, ना हो तो भाई मैं क्या करूँ बना के भी. Yes guys, and I just told you that okay, whatever happens in Virat Kohli's birthdays, all that I will just share you in this India versus Scotland video. I just said it in my Virat Kohli birthday special जो मैं बनाई थी ना, उसमें मैंने बोला था actually. So he on his birthday, like his fans sang for him in the stadium where he waved his hand to them, and it was like that happy wala moment for him. And afterwards, what will happen? Yes, he like Scotland players visited Indian team dressing room where Scotland team shared some photos of it. Afterwards, BCCI also shared some photos of that one. Like it was Virat Kohli, it was Jasprit Bumrah, it was Ravichandran Ashwin, Rohit Sharma, Hardik Pandya. There were many others as well, but these people were particularly giving some tips to Scotland players on winning the matches. Yeah, for their experiences, those all we don't exactly. And that one. Afterwards, I think that cake on his birthday, which of course usually they do it, and that one also it was there as a part of that one. And afterwards, what was that? In his post-match presentation also, he was asked a question that about his birthday celebration. Will it be a normal day, or it would be a big birthday celebration? So for that one, he was like, I am out of this phase because I'm not in that phase. He was just like that joking one.
Celebration tonight for the birthday or just another? No, I think I'm over that phase now. You're still young, you're only 33. I should be saying that.
I hope you have seen it, right? Yes. So that one, and that's what happened afterwards. There were a lot of wishes from a lot of cricket players. It was Sachin Tendulkar, it was Dinesh Karthik, it was a lot of people. It was Virendra Sehwag, it was some other Bollywood actors, and there were a lot of wishes. And of course from his family as well. So that's it, and see you in some other analysis video. Until then, take care, bye, and like, share and subscribe to my cricket world.